First step, steam. Take a bowl with hot water. Dip a towel cloth in hot water and put on your nose and chin area. Steam will help you to open the pores. Also, softens blackheads and whiteheads, which make them easier to remove. Second step, face pack. Take a bowl and add a teaspoon of instant coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add a teaspoon of gram flour bison. Add a teaspoon of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar. Mix all dry ingredients. This face pack helps to remove blackheads, whiteheads, and clear away dead skin and unclog the pores. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Please press the like button. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of rose water to make the paste. Mix it very well. After mixing, check the consistency. Apply it on your nose and chin area. Leave it for 10 minutes. Take a lemon piece and rub on it with soft hands for 30 seconds. Then again, apply face pack. Take a brush and gently massage your nose and chin area for 30 seconds. You can use this remedy 2 times a week. Third step, icing. Take an ice cube and put in a paper towel and apply the area for a few minutes to tighten the pores. If you like the video, please like, comments, and share with your friends. Fourth step, moisturizer. Take a bowl and add a 1/3 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Add 3 to 4 drops of almond oil. Mix it very well. Check the consistency. Apply on your face.